Hello everyone, I am Nishkash Gaikwad here for the machine learning oral examination video. My topic is support vector machines under the guidance of Dr. Rishil Chhatray. First of all, I will give you the brief introduction. So the support vector machines, SVM known as, is a supervised machine learning algorithm, can be used for both classification and the regression challenges. So we just plot the data item as a point in n-dimensional space where n is the number of features you have, with the value of which each feature being the value of a particular coordinate. So we perform classification by finding the hyperplane that differentiates the two classes very well. So here are some concepts. Support vector machines. So support vector machines that is assumed to be assumes the data to be linearly separable. So linearly separable means a data set is called linearly separable if there exists a hyperplane uh, such that all data belonging a particular class lies on the one side of the hyperplane. Hyperplane, which is a higher dimensional generalization of a line in 2D or in a 3D space. So a hyperplane divides spaces into two parts, and the uh, maximum margin is with respect to the data set. It is the distance of closest point to data set to the hyperplane. So and the this support
महाराज
vectors.
की जय हो संदेशा लाया हूं
Support vector machine is the best learns the best hyperplane. The that one lies in the middle of the separation between the data, the maximizing by maximizing the margin. Therefore, it is called the maximum margin classifier as well. How does SVM works? It has basically linear separable data, linear non-separable data. So when you have a data which can be separable in the two dimensionals equally, and that is known as the linear separable data. When you cannot separate the data in the two dimensions or different dimensions, it is mixed. So that is the linearly non-separable data. So in that case, we will be using the uh, in that case we will be using the kernel function. So the kernel function is that the concept of transformation of a non-linearly separable data into a linearly separable is called the Cover's theorem. And for that, it is the kernel function which helps the data to be distributed equally in the different dimensions. So the pros and cons will be high stability due to the dependency on support vectors, and data point does not get influenced by outliers, and no assumptions made of the data sheets. Numeric predictions problem can be dealt with SVM. So here are the pros, and cons like black box method, inclined to overfitting method, very rigorous computation. Execution of the program is importing libraries. So first of all, we will just import the matplot, numpy, and scipy, and using the seaborn plotting defaults. So and after that, importing the seaborn. So the plotting will be done as x and y plane, and maximizing the margin. You will get a hyperplane. You will get a number of hyperplanes, but our SVM will be the one which will choose the best margin, the best hyperplane. which will be both equally margin. So equally margin. Here on the screen, you can see the hyperplane which is in the center is equally margined with the both the points. And yes, so it is a linearly separable data, and it has separated by the hyperplane. Applications of the SVM in real world is face detection. So face detection can be done in on your face. There is different points which can be detected with this support vector machines. Text and hypertext categorization, classification of images. If you have to classify the images in different aspects, so you can do with this support vector machines. Bioinformatics, in the field of medical, when cancer patients or different kinds of patients, their genes, you can just separate the data. You can get visualize and analyze the data, whatever the diseases are there. Handwriting recognition, as the handwriting has different points, it can just separate the data and you can get a clear view of handwriting recognition. Ending with the conclusion. So the conclusion will be their dependence will be that their dependence on relatively few support vectors means that they are very compact models, take up very little memory. So the once the model is trained, the prediction phase is very fast because they are affected only by points near the margin. They work well with high dimensional data. Even if you give big data, it will have no issue with the computation. So even data with more dimension than samples, which is a challenging regime for the other algorithms. The integration with the kernel methods makes them very easy, very versatile, able to adapt many types of data. And therefore, the SVM can be used in number of applications where we have to just separate the data, which can give us the best hyperplane, and divide the data into a different states, where we can just analyze the data, and whichever application we want to use, we can use it. Thank you.